Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to toggle webcam on this laptop. To do this, tap on the Windows button, then go to Settings, then go to Bluetooth and Devices, select Cameras, Integrated Camera, and then to disable it, click Disable, then click Yes, and to enable it again, click Enable right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.